In this video, I'll be showing you a natural remedy of how you can fight your flu and cough and you have a clear throat and you feel better at least after one day. Now, as you can see, I have natural honey right here. I have my mug, I have my knife, I have this natural lemon. Then I have the lemon squeezer. I got the spoon on the chopping board as the water boils. That's said and done. Let's get down to the process. This particular video is probably brought to you by Dennomatic Essentials. If you scan the QR code right on your screen, it will take you straight to the storefront that solves almost every problem in your daily life for even a better well-being. Back to this, we have the remedy that's going to help you with your cough and flu. Just using lemon, honey, hot water, and of course, one thing I didn't introduce you to is this mint right here. That is Halls. This might be like an advert, but hey, we have to solve a problem because some people can't afford medicine out there, especially the country that I come from, that is Uganda. So most of us used to use natural remedies and now we know at least some knowledge about it. But when you come to America, most people think about medicine and insurance is high. Maybe this can help someone out there in the world. So this mint sweet, if you have a mint sweet out there, you can use it because this one here relieves coughs and soothes sore throats and cools nasal passages. So I have plenty of them right here in my breakfast side. So I put them right aside here. So in case I don't feel good, I gotta get one and drop it in the mug like that. Then I get my honey. I pour honey over it. Just take it slow. I'm measuring about 1 teaspoonful, so you can do the same over there, right? Make sure you are tidy. Then wash your lemon. I've already washed mine right here. Wash all your fruits that you have in your house before you put them in the fridge. So this one is already washed, so wash your hands as well. And of course, do this. Cut it down. Then get your lemon squeezer. Make sure everything that you do have for this video is clean. Then squeeze it in. Make sure everything is done. All the juice right there. Then put that back. Get your spoon and then get your hot water, right? Then pour it in till the cup is full. Be careful, you'll hear a clicking sound in the cup. That is the sweet trying to react to the hot water that you've just poured in. Then now gently stir. Stir all over. Right. Now remember, this is hot, so you want to take it easy and slow. Let that vapor get to your nose, feel it. If you're taking it for the first time, you are gonna sneeze straight away, so that's the effect that it does. So I'm gonna sip on mine as you sip on yours. You'll feel a taste of everything that you put in there. The honey, the lemon, and then the mint sweet right there. So the purpose of this video is most people can't afford health insurance, but there are some natural remedies that they can use just to relieve the pain so that they do not cause other diseases, so that they do not spread it out there to other people. Just imagine if you share this remedy to millions of people, you would have solved a very, very big problem. This same remedy is used by professional artists before they go to stage, before they go and sing or perform, because they need their voices clear. You can use it in your daily life each and every day or every after 3 days, just in case you don't feel fine. Please, you can refer to this, and then if it does not work, you better seek medical attention. This particular video is probably brought to you by Dennomatic Essentials. The QR code is on your screen. Dennomatic Essentials is a storefront that has all the problem solvers that can help you in your daily life for even a better well-being. As I told you, you can click subscribe. We are all about 360 wellness. It could be physical, mental, financial. I'm here for you to do the research and I bring it right to you, because knowledge acquired and knowledge not shared is not knowledge enough. If this remedy works for you, please save this video and share it with a friend. Dennomatic TV, I'm out for now. Catch you in the next one.